Hi, this is Tara Marino with Elegant Femme, and welcome to gorgeous San Diego. You know, there's something about San Diego. Every time I get off the plane, you can smell it in the air. This is actually where I grew up, a little bit up the mountain, a little bit in Julian, but this is like my old stomping grounds here in San Diego for the majority of my life, from 8 years old till I went to college. And we thought we were clear with the guy mowing in the background, but he's come back, so let's see if he's gonna leave again. Because I have a really special message for you. We're actually here, my husband and I arrived for our Beautiful for Life event. We're on the water in San Diego. We're right off of Mission Bay. In fact, you can see it's so, I wish I could infuse through the camera the smell of jasmine. You may or may not know, jasmine is our signature scent here at Elegant Femme, and the entire grounds are blooming with jasmine. It smells divine. So I wish I could infuse that through the camera. I can't, but I can maybe do something even better through the camera. So we're going to do something for the first time. We've never done this before, and I'm a little bit nervous about how it's all going to roll out, and yet at the same time I know, because it's a bigger project for us to be able to do this, more team members required, more AV, more equipment, more all of these logistical things that are not my forte at all. And yet inside in my indie, I really know that I want to gift this to you. So what am I talking about? So for the first time ever, we are going to open up behind the scenes at one of our Elegant Femme events. Actually, day 2 of our event, you're going to be granted a free access pass to come join us at the event. We are going to be live, we're going to be filming, and you're going to have an opportunity to join us just as if you were in the room with us. I'm going to tell you a little bit of a secret, a little bit of an insight. Day 2 is an extremely powerful day at our event. We're going to be stepping into New Yorker energy. So you're going to see and feel the room in a different vibration. They'll have gone through their day 1 process, and day 2, like, we bring it. It's a big, big day, day 2. So we are gifting you a behind the scenes access pass to join us. So what exactly does that mean? That means you're going to be almost in the room with us, being able to see us on your computer screen. You can be in your pajamas, you can be in your sexy lingerie, you can be in your bathing suit like I am right now, enjoying the weather. And we're going to have team members assisting you in the chat, meaning that as you're receiving the content from the event, as you're receiving the energy, we're going to have team members in the chat with you, responding to your comments, supporting you in your level of growth and evolution. So those of you who couldn't make it to the event, I have had so many requests from London, from Europe, from and maybe even you're in California, but for some reason you couldn't make it to the event. I want to let you know that you're invited. I really would love to share this with you. It is, you can't quite explain, what goes on at the events. And as I'm preparing and in my process of receiving and growing and evolving before the event, I have a lot of nerves that come up because some things that happen at the event, I can't plan. I have no idea some of the things that will unfold. I will tell you this. Every single year, Spirit has shown up and presented miracles for us. And so I know, I'm expecting and counting on that same level of support and magic and elegance and grace. And so you're going to get to witness it live with us. So, all right, so here's whatever you need to do. The details are below. It's going to be Monday, okay, this coming Monday, which is May 5th. And it's going to be around 3:30 or 4, okay? The reason I can't give you the exact time is because it's a live event, right? So sometimes we run a little earlier, a little later, so log on with plenty of time. My invitation for you is actually log on with 30 minutes in advance. So logging on around 3 o'clock, we'll have some team members there welcoming you, and then we'll be live with you for about 3 hours, right? 3 hours or so. So block this in your schedule, block this in your calendar. I know you couldn't make it to the event, so make sure you get in your calendar and you write, all right, Beautiful for Life, I'm attending Monday from 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock, okay? We'll be there with you. I can't wait to see you. It's going to be gorgeous. And